whereas Ram Janmabhoomi, where Ram was born, is according to faith only one place, and that is a fundamental right. So the only scope left is that the Muslim parties go somewhere else, take compensation for the land. Otherwise the battle may take another 20 years. The government would be willing to give compensation to both parties, the Ram Janmabhoomi Nyaya Samiti and the Sunni Waqf Board, give them compensation, adequate compensation, and then hand over the land to either the Ram Janmabhoomi Nyaya Samiti itself, which has नहीं मध्यस्थता के अब तो कोई कुछ गुंजाइश ही नहीं रहा. That's right. That is what they said. That the Bobde, Justice Bobde have correctly observed. We may decide. Just a minute, I'll tell you. There is what happened is that the issue is very clear, that the issue of faith is crores and crores of people. I now don't say it's not a possibility. They can always try to have mediation, but it will be a total sterile exercise.
Why is that, sir?
Because all the parameters have been already fixed. The land belongs to government, and even if they win the title suit, anybody, they will not get the land. They can at most get compensation for the land. Number two, Narasimha Rao government has already committed that the land would be given to Hindus if there was a pre-existing temple, where there is a pre-existing temple. Number three, the Supreme Court Constitutional Bench has said that the masjid can be shifted anywhere. It's not an essential part of Islam, whereas a temple built on Prana Pratishtha Puja can only be where it was built, and it's always a temple. So on these three conditions, all that is left is for the government of India to hand over the land to Ram Janmabhoomi Nyaya Samiti.
You've possible mediation?
No, yeah, because mediation is always preferable. But the Sunni Waqf Board is not willing to budge an inch. Well, Rajiv Dhawan doesn't know the law. He's rusted. I think he has lost connection. He just goes on blabbering. Nobody pays any attention to it. Yeah, but what will the Muslim parties? What is the mediation? No, listen. What is the mediation? That we'll share the land half and half? We'll not agree. So where is the mediation? What is it that they will, if they say we will go somewhere else, please give us the money for building another masjid, that's mediation. That I can understand. For that you don't need mediation, you can do it in the court. No, I will not give any. Because I don't believe in mediation, why should I give any? There's no scope for mediation. I was a mediator for Narasimha Rao. I enclosed a letter in my petition to say that, he thanking me for all the work I have done. But after Shahabuddin agreed that if there is a pre-existing temple, I will vacate the place, all the Muslim parties went against it. They are saying, no, it should be built here only. In which part of the world, Islamic world, is the masjid built wherever it is built and stays that way? To build roads, the Saudi Arabians are every day demolishing masjids. It is a sterile exercise, mediation.